Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Marisabelka Creative. Today we will make a huge Ottoman tray. So one customer asked me to make a 24 inches Ottoman tray for the living room, and she wanted with ocean art on it. So I will make an ocean on beautiful tray. It is walnut tray, and we will make art on it. So I prepared everything. I mixed resin with mica powder, and I pour the first color. It will be navy blue color, the first one. I spread everywhere. So also you need to tape under the tray, because some cracks can be there, and the resin is liquid. It can go through crack, so be careful with it. So the next color will be teal color, teal ocean. I also already mixed, and I pour it. I also spread the color. No empty space should be between the colors. Next, the next color it's without color. It's just clear resin. I like make it without any sand or something like this, because the walnut wood, it looks beautiful without sand. So I just cover the clear resin, and in the corner of the tray will be some seashells. So I will cover them by clear resin too. Then between colors I pour white color. It will be waves. So I pour like white lines. And also don't forget to use fan for ocean art, and also fire torch for removing bubbles. But fan can remove bubbles too. Anyway. So I took some seashells for huge tray. I remind you the Ottoman tray is 24 inches. It is square. So I took big seashells and fish star and put everything in the corner of the tray under the resin, to make sure that it will be under the resin and not removed, and will be hold so good. So I cover them by resin too, be sure everything under it. To completely fix it in that corner. So, and And last step is just make waves. So, and I took industrial fan. The first I remove all bubbles from the surface because it's like heat gun also. So I make waves by this fan. It is blowing white color and make beautiful white waves. So when I made a tray, I leave it on for 12 hours and look how beautiful it is. Нет, Марина тоже не разрешает там рисовать. Hi everyone, in this video we will make rectangle mirror. One customer